Makadini Murisei, welcome back to Shona Land, and today we'll be continuing with a video series of the Shona alphabet and vowels, and we'll be looking at the letter K and combining it with the Shona vowels. As a recap, we say the Shona alphabet consists of consonants and vowels are the ones that determine how you pronounce all Shona words. And the vowels are pronounced as follows: A, E, I, O, U. So, going forward, combining the letter K with the Shona vowels is pronounced as follows. So when we combine letter K with the vowel A, we pronounce it as Ka, Ka, Ka. When you combine it with the vowel A, it's K, K, K. When you combine it with the vowel I, it's Ki, Ki, Ki. And when you combine it with the vowel O, it's Ko, Ko, Ko. And when you combine it with the vowel U, it's Ku, Ku, Ku. So giving you simple words. For Ka, we've got the Shona word Kamba, Kamba. That's tortoise in English. Kamba. For K, we've got Ketero, Ketero. That's kettle in English. It's more. It looks like it's more derived from the English word, but it's Ketero. For Ki, it's Kia, Kia. That's lock, like you're locking a door. Kia. For Ko, we've got Kosora, Kosora. That's cough in English. Kosora. For Ku, we've got Kura, Kura, Kura. That's grow in English. So for Ka, we've got Kamba, Ke, Ketero, Ki, Kia, Ko, Kosora, Ku, Kura. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and like our videos. And be on the lookout for the next video where I'll be teaching you the letter M and combining it with the Shona vowels. See you in the next video.